Welcome back to Obtainable Car Garage. Not me posting 2 times in one day after not posting for months. I am super excited. This is the part 2 of the first video. I hope you guys saw. I got a new car. I'm so excited. Just a little background on the car. I waited 2 months for it. Perfect one popped up and I was literally flying out to Atlanta, Georgia within a week. This trip I made with my wife, and honestly, it was a blast. We drove the car home. It was an 800-mile trip. The car performed flawlessly, and I couldn't wait to wash it. So today was the first day. I literally still have my grandparents over, but I was like, man, I couldn't stop thinking about it. I had to wash the car. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like all cleaned up. I'm sure you guys saw this bad boy in the background. Look at her. She's really dirty right now. She's literally been sitting for 2 months now. I blew the transmission on it, W58. This was originally an NA car. I knew it was coming. I pushed it to about 600 wheel horsepower. It was the first cold night out, let her rip, and sure enough, she blew. So look what I got over here. Sorry about the mess, but ta-da, I got the old Tremec just waiting to go in. I'm waiting for my buddy to free up, and this is next on the to-do list. All right, guys, here we go. Check her out.
3.
Look how freaking good she looks. Oh my God. So I will tell you guys, I am super picky when it comes to paint. The car is not perfect. From a distance, it looks really good. I'm sure it's been repainted in a couple different places, but overall, I would give the paint a solid 7.5 out of 10. Again, I'm super picky. Any other person would probably be giving it an 8 or a 9, but it's a perfect base to build on. I have a lot of plans for this thing. And really quick, before I get closer, Fam is over there representing. So here we go. I'm going to give you guys a quick little rundown on the car. So it is a 2000, 58,000 miles. It is an Evo 6. So it has the OZ Racing wheels. It has an exhaust. I'm not sure what exhaust is on it, but it sounds pretty much OEM. It's really quiet. And I plan on replacing it, but for now, it'll do the job. I have to get that atrocious tint off the back of it, which drives me nuts. But again, that is in the plans to do. Interior, another little quick look. Clean for the most part. Back seat, super clean. Again, it's just a little dirty, but I'll have to wash down the seats and just decontaminate everything. So one thing that I will tell you guys is I am not really smart when it comes to detailing cars. I plan on clay barring the car. I do want to take it to one of my buddies to get a paint correction done, but please guys, if you guys have any recommendations for me on what to do, let me know. There's a couple of different things that I'm looking for which are really hard to get, which drive me crazy. Like these little moldings right here, I want to replace them. I want to get them looking nice and crispy, but to my understanding, white has been discontinued for a very long time. I plan on taking the wheels off whenever I get a little bit more time. Clean off the Brembo brakes. Here's a look at the front. I want to clean up that caliper really good. See what the brakes look like, and honestly, more than likely, this thing is going to get a big brake hit regardless. This is what the driver's view looks like, and there's a couple of cool things about this car. Like it has a bunch of oil change stickers, and I have a really fat stack of inspection paperwork from the original owner, which is really cool. I guess in Japan, the guy that sold me this told me this, so do not believe this. I'm not sure if it's true, but he sold me on it. Every year they have an inspection done in Japan, and this car, every single year, I have it documented. So that's pretty cool. At this point, guys, I feel like I'm just rambling on a little bit. I'm so excited to get this car going. This is gonna be such a fun project, and I really plan on taking you guys with me. Like I said, drop in the comments if you guys have any tips or tricks for me when it comes to doing any sort of like exterior paint, reconditioning, or even detailing, because again, I'm not a specialist when it comes to that, but I do try. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I appreciate you guys.